Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a double backflip on a trampoline for beginners. Alright, so first of all, double back is a pretty advanced trick. I suggest that you try it into a foam pit, or any way you can get over the fear of doing that extra rotation in the air would be good, just so you don't get hurt. Even if you're doing it on a trampoline, there's a small chance you'll get hurt, but just to make sure, you know. Alright, so for the double backflip, it's going to be the exact same thing as a single backflip. You're just going to bounce higher, and you're going to hold your tuck. For this trick, you should have a backflip, and you should know how to tuck. Okay, so this is what your backflip should look like right now. Here. See that? See how I have a high backflip, and when I open up, I have time to do another one? That's what your backflip should look like. So, double backflip, there's like a few progressions you can do. I'll just show you one. So what you're going to do is just basically a backflip in 1/4. So here, and then just flip over. So yeah, just go up, hold your tuck, open up onto your back, and flip over. That'll just help get you the feeling of doing another rotation. Yeah, so for the double backflip, just jump like, I would not say your highest, but a decent height, like, I don't know, like this high, and then set just like a normal backflip, arms back, throw them up, don't throw your head back, grab your tuck, you can either tuck under or over, and you want to pull your tuck in as tight as you can to get that fast rotation. So, yeah, here. So, for this trick, guys, I need you guys to commit on this. Don't ever bail out when you're doing a trick like this. So, every time you're doing a double back, always commit. Don't ever freak out in the air. That's how you get hurt. Okay? So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Jump high. Set like a backflip. Hold your tuck. Just keep holding it. If you're first time, you're probably not going to open up onto your feet. But if you have like pillows or mats or something, just to help soften your landing, because you probably might like land on your knees or something like that, just to soften your landing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Jump high, go up, don't throw your head back, grab your shins, hold your tuck, and then open out when you feel like you've done 2 rotations. Don't open up early, okay? Alright, I'll show you that right now. I'll show you one more. Double back, but alright. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. That's how to do a double backflip on a trampoline for beginners.
So thank you so much for watching that video, and I just want to give you something quick to think about. I feel like we're all longing for freedom, peace, joy, and we all look for it in different things, whether that's money, whether that's sex, whether that's relationships, drugs, pornography, but that's only found in Jesus. So I encourage you to seek that out, and click any of the links in the description for my addiction channel to help people overcome addiction. And thank you so much for watching. God bless.